How to use AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney for Ecom product descriptions. Want to write better product descriptions without spending hours? Let AI do the heavy lifting. Tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney can help you write, improve, and even visualize your ecom listings. Step 1. Use ChatGPT for product copy. Go to ChatGPT, type a prompt like, write a catchy product description for a waterproof travel backpack. Include features and a call to action. You'll get polished, ready-to-use content in seconds. Step 2. Refine your message. Ask ChatGPT to change the tone. Say, make it more fun or more professional. You can even generate descriptions in bulk for multiple products. Step 3. Create product images with Midjourney use. Midjourney on Discord. Type a prompt like, a sleek black waterproof travel backpack on a mountain background. Product style. This gives you eye-catching visuals perfect for ads or mock-ups. Midjourney is a paid program. You can use Gemini to generate images. It's totally free. Step 4. Combine and upload now. Mix the AI-written description and Midjourney image into your product listing. Clean, fast, and pro level. Thanks for watching.